Someone dumped an old bicycle beside the road and I picked it up and brought it home. Took out the rim and made it as a pulley where I can use it for my back and tricep workout. I made it perfectly, then suddenly I remember that someone may use it if I fix it the way it used to be. So I started fixing it by putting back the rim, cleaned it, and also painted it. So it's already fixed and I'm going somewhere to give this to someone that needs it.